Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about 7th cervical vertebra or simply C7 vertebra. So we'll try to identify only 7th cervical vertebra in this video. That's a sole objective. Now, what are the features associated with the 7th cervical vertebra? So the spine is strong and not bifid. So it is a unifid spine. That means it's only a single spine. There is no bifurcation. Okay. And next, foramen transversarium is very small. So what is this important foramen transversarium? This is present in the transverse process of the vertebra. So long transverse process and diminished presence of anterior tubercle. So remember that in the transverse process, we are having an anterior tubercle and a posterior tubercle. What he's saying is that the anterior tubercle is not very prominent. I can see posterior tubercle more. Anyway, I'll show you a diagram. See now, here we are having the 7th cervical vertebra. I told you, foramen transversarium. It's very small. See, normally it will be circular shape, but this is oval, very small oval shape, right? And we can see a very prominent superior articular facet. So what is it going to articulate with? Tell me your answers in the comment section. The question is, the superior articular facet is going to articulate with which bony structure? Now, coming back to it. So now here we can see the transverse process. It is very long, okay? And the posterior tubercle is very prominent, okay? This is a spine unifid, no bifurcation. And this is the tubercle of the spine, okay? Alright, so if I try to sum up everything, there is a small foramen transversarium. Anterior tubercle is less prominent than the posterior tubercle, okay, and the spine is not bifid and it is strong. So remember these three important points. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to the end of the video. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.